What's going on, everyone? Gared here from the Kingdom Report, and I'm on an adventure I've never gone on before on this channel, and that is I'm here at Blizzard Beach Water Park. And as you can tell, it's packed. No, I'm just kidding. It's very empty right now, but it reopened back in March, and I'm here to experience it and take you along on the journey. You might be wondering, how do you do a water park with masks? Well, I want to show you how we do that, but let's hop to it. Let's go down the slopes, cowabunga, dude. That behind me is Summit Plummet. It is over 120 feet and it's a near vertical drop straight down. Actually, if you can see it, you go down and then you fly off into the air and hopefully something catches. I'm just kidding, you go straight down, and I'm going to be going on that later today. But Blizzard Beach, I've only been here twice before. One was for a shift I worked with a very tall friend of mine, and the other one I came with my roommate Tom, and we made a day out of it here, and we went on just about everything. So if you're wondering about what the mask requirements are, there's a bridge that you cross when you enter the park. Once you go across that bridge, you can take off the mask. The only time cast members require you to put it on is when you are interacting with cast members at food and beverage or any purchasing locations. But let's hit the slopes. It's gonna be a good day. First slide of the day is called Team Boat Springs. It's where you get with, I guess, a group and you go down a water slide. So I guess I'll be doing it kind of solo, but behind us, Summit Plummet. That one's done, and Mickey's greeting us at the bottom. That one's pretty fun. It just whips you around a little bit. The more people you have, the more weight it's going to have to throw you around. But overall, I like that one. On to the next water slide. I'm warmed up and I'm ready for the big boy, Summit Plummet. I'm not gonna take my phone up there out of the fear of it, you know, falling off. So I'll see you back down here at the bottom. Summit Plummet is definitely for the brave soul. Main thing, my butt hurts. I got a little bit of a wedgie butt. Beside that, it really clears your sinuses, and I loved it. Probably will go on it again, but check out Summit Plummet. It's only 126 feet or something like that, so you know, easy stuff, and I survived, so I think you can too. If you come to a Disney water park, you do not need to walk around with your shoes. And if you're worried about your feet getting high, well, Disney has these ingenious little things that spray water on the walkways, which make it a little bit more cool for your little toesies. Going on the downhill double dipper. If you ever come with friends, you can race them, and you each are in a single team, and you go past the finish line. And sometimes they have the timers on there to see who's the fastest racer. I won my race. No one can beat me. I also went alone. That's beside the point, but I won! Winning all these races and, you know, just conquering Blizzard Beach really, you know, takes out of you. So you got to fuel up. And I got a white cap flatbread, so I'm going to chow down on that. And then, you know, just keep conquering this park, because that's what we do here at the Resort. We conquer in a loving and supportive way. But no, I'm having a great day here, and you can bring your own food, but this is just convenient. And it's got bacon on it. Get down with your bad self, Blizzard Beach. And the flatbread here, it's pretty good overall. You know, it's a good size, if I were to ingest that. And you know, it's got good flavor, and it's $12, so, you know, water park prices, Disney prices. But I'm just amazed at how, despite it being, you know, 83 degrees outside, there's like no one here. Like when I got here at the opening, next to no one. You can do everything less than a 5-minute wait. It's quite nice. Disney water parks are the hidden gem. So if you want to avoid the parks and just want a day where you can cool off, come to a water park, whether it's Blizzard Beach or Typhoon Lagoon, and check them out. It's very nostalgic to me. It reminds me a lot of the 90s. So it's got a lot of neon colors. You got, you know, reggae beats playing in the background, and, you know, the theming here is just incredible.
Last drop. You get the air right there.
Oh man, I got wedgie! The sister slide of Summit Plummet is Slush Gusher right here, and I think Slush Gusher is more intense, especially for a guy like me. I went down it goes in 3 different tiers. You go down the first one, whatever. Second one, I got a good amount of lift off of there, and I slammed down hard and got a wedgie. So, you know, I'm willing to do what I gotta do to bring you the videos. So check out Slush Gusher. High above Blizzard Beach, you have the observation deck where you can see the entire park along with other Disney theme parks. Directly behind me, right over there, you've got the Tower of Terror. And go a little bit more, right around there, you've got Swan and Dolphin, which is right next to Epcot. And on the other side, you can see Animal Kingdom. But up here, it just gives you a cool view of Summit Plummet as well as Slush Gusher. And from my experience, Slush Gusher is the more intense of the two. I found a local celebrity. He is probably the big cheese around here, bigger than Mickey Mouse, at least at Blizzard Beach, because it's none other than Joe Gator, or Ice Gator. He is kind of responsible for this whole place, you know, running and everything. It's his ski patrol training camp, and that's the area I'm in. I'm in this little, it's a kid area, so I can't go on anything. They have a zip line. They got ice, thin ice that you can run across. So I'm extremely jealous that I am 6'2" and not, you know, 5 foot. But I would tear up this course. Isn't that right, Mr. Gator? I think so. There's also one other area in this park that I cannot go into, and it's Tykes Peaks. This is for the little ones, the little ones, the Gared of yesteryear. And by yesteryear, I mean when I was like 5 or 6. Yeah, this is for the toddler area. It's a cute little area. You know, they got little snow castles, and they've got, oh, they got Ice Gator doing his thing out there. It's a cute little area. This is definitely for the families with the small ones. So Blizzard Beach has something for all families of all shapes and sizes. Wave pool here at Blizzard Beach is a lot more docile than the one at Typhoon Lagoon. It's relaxed, it's a constant flow of waves, not that one giant wave that drowns all the small children. And it's just like a nice place to float around. And even if you are not vertically inclined like myself, or if you're on the shorter side, you can go out over halfway and you will still have your head above water. So if you're not that strong of a swimmer, you can stay in the shallows and you'll be completely fine. But it is just a nice way to relax, cool off, especially on a warm day like today. I absolutely must say that if you come in the middle of the week, there's a higher chance of there being less guests here. I mean, you can enjoy this place to its full extent, whether that is swimming, going down slides, floating around the lazy river. This is just a absolutely wonderful little gym that not many people in Disney World ever check out. They stick to the parks, they go to Disney Springs, they hang out the resort. But Blizzard Beach, awesome place to be at. I think it's smaller than Typhoon Lagoon, but for everything today, I've enjoyed pretty much every moment. Haven't really had to wait for anything. And to finish this day out, I want to hop in the river of laziness, or the lazy river. I feel like I'm on Living with the Land, just slowly swimming by with the foliage and everything around. A rule I learned today: you cannot just free swim through the lazy river. You have to either be in a float like I am, or be on a float, or something like you. A float has to be involved in there. You can't just like go pop up from each one. I used to do that when I was, well, I still do that, but I'd go from tube to tube or just swim freely, but that is not allowed here. I think it's because there's a chance that, someone could end up, getting stuck under a tube or whatever. So we're just gonna drift along, and I do see Ice Gator's hut up ahead. So behind me is the house of Ice Gator. He is the proprietor of this wonderful place called Blizzard Beach. He's a native to Florida, and then the story of Blizzard Beach. Oh, he sneezes. What? But the story of Blizzard Beach is that it was a beach, and then a freak snowstorm came through here, and then Ice Gator, he pretty much set up shop here and created what is now Blizzard Beach. But he's just sneezing, and he's an alligator. He likes to ski, and and you know, I like it. I like it. You used to be able to do a meet and greet with him. I hope they bring that back sometime. We're just going around. Oh no. Oh my God, get wet. What's up, ice skater? How you doing today, buddy? Good? Oh, uh-oh. You almost got me. Almost. I'll see you later, buddy. I found where Ice Skater did not stick the landing. But that's my day here at Blizzard Beach. Some tips from me to you if you want to have a successful day. Bring sunscreen for sure so you don't have to pay for some here. Also, water shoes if your feet are sensitive or you don't want them to get all scratched up on the bottom of the pool. And also get a locker. If you want to lock your stuff away, that is going to give you a lot of success because, you know, some people are nervous about, you know, their stuff getting stolen. And a locker is safe. I got a nice small one for about $10, so easy and affordable. But other than that, just come here, have fun, and enjoy the sun and enjoy the quote-unquote surf. I had an absolute blast, and I will definitely be coming back here again post-pandemic. So come on now. Also, I spoke to my friend Ice Skater right here, and he said that all of you here are invited to come out and hang out with us. So come on down. Hope you had fun hanging out with me. If you've been to Blizzard Beach before, what is your favorite experience here? For me, you know, Slush Gusher, that it gave me a wedgie and made me question a lot of things, but it was a lot of fun. Hopefully you can see me getting some air off there. It may not look like much, but when you're going down that thing at like a significant angle, you feel like you're flying, and it's quite the surprise you're not expecting. But I love the little toboggan races where you go down and down. I crushed the competition. But what did you enjoy most about this day? What do you enjoy about Blizzard Beach in general? Let us know in the comments. And for all your Disney parks news, subscribe, check out the channel. We got some awesome stuff. We got an awesome team. And if you watch, you're an awesome person. So thank you all so much. Hang loose, have a good one, and this is Gared from the Kingdom team, and it's been a pleasure.
To all who come to this happy place, welcome.